Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Custis and I'm here on behalf of our entire team. In this video summary, what I'm going to do is simply go through our funded Catalyst campaign about proposer outreach and what we did, the process, all that good stuff, as well as the results of our event and our proposer outreach and our campaign and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to be going through all of that in the next few minutes. Hope that you enjoy. So as you can see here, we actually have our proposal right here, and you can read more about it, obviously, on this page. But what we did here is essentially we took this idea that entrepreneurs need seed funding to develop ideas into minimum viable products with marketable potential. Traditionally, people have to go through venture capitalists. They have to go through other forms where they have to give away equity in their actual company or their organization, whatever it may be. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to essentially help expand the Project Catalyst platform and get more people, more entrepreneurs introduced to this idea of getting funding through through Project Catalyst and drive new innovators and developers and entrepreneurs into that space. So what we essentially were able to do is take our experience of creating hackathons, startup weekend events, and pitch competitions, stuff like this, these entrepreneurial events where people are pitching their ideas or coming up with ideas or innovating. And we wanted to pair those type of events with a great platform like Project Catalyst where you can actually get funding. So what we wanted to do was use our network of events. We have a great network of entrepreneurs, entrepreneurial communities, and we wanted to put on a hackathon where we can actually take these different submissions, these different developer ideas, and we can actually feed them into Catalyst, where not only are we going to get new ideas and new people into Catalyst as a whole, but we also get new people and new applications that will be funded and eventually could become major parts of the Cardano ecosystem. So that's what we were able to do with the funds of 30K ADA that we were funded through Project Catalyst. We were able to use that 30K ADA and we were able to leverage that into about $110,000 worth of prizes for our hackathon. So with that prize pool and with the 30K ADA, we were able to market the event. We were able to create the software or use the software to host a hackathon and other organizational needs. But ultimately, we were able to create these great prizes that attracted 93 different participants and 12 finalist teams that were ultimately pushed into the Project Catalyst ecosystem. So we got new innovative outside ideas from people that all over the world and who may not have known about Catalyst beforehand, but now they do. And besides just new people, they also have real applications that they have started to build that can be funded and now become part of the Cardano ecosystem. And so that was our main KPIs for this funded proposal was, did our efforts manage to attract new users to the platform? And obviously it did. In order to win our hackathon and win any of our challenges, individuals needed to register them and their team into Project Catalyst. So there we have people being pushed into the ecosystem who may not have known about it beforehand. And then second, will our efforts or did our efforts result in new viable applications built on top of Cardano? And just like in any event, but we did get 12 finalist projects that were submitted into Project Catalyst and are actual viable products that can be voted on within the system and eventually funded. And so these are real world applications that can be built on Cardano and are being pushed into Cardano because of our event, which is our goal in the first place was to get more proposers and get more people to understand what Cardano really is and what Project Catalyst really is. So just to wrap up, we were able to take the initial funding that we got from Cardano and Project Catalyst. We were able to use that and leverage it and create a cool hackathon where we were able to get participants from around the world to compete for prizes with that 30K ADA that we turned to $111,000 worth of prizes. Not only that, but these submissions, these projects that people built within our hackathon were pushed into Project Catalyst as well for these innovators, these entrepreneurs, these developers to get potential funding as well. Overall, this was a great experience. We were able to help the Cardano ecosystem, which was a goal of ours. We got more proposers and more eyeballs in Project Catalyst, and that is what it was all about. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will continue to help and build what Project Catalyst stands for and the Cardano ecosystem as a whole. Thank you.